Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Georgina. For today's video, I'm going to be trying the Glam Palette by Natasha Denona, and I'll recreate two looks for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how I get this look right here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so here we have the palette. The packaging is really nice. You can customize the order of your eyeshadows, but I just prefer it like this. We can see it's a mix of matte and shimmer cool eyeshadows, and I have to say they are so buttery when you swatch them. It's incredible. For the first look, I'm going to start with the tone Smoke, and with the blending brush, I'm going to apply it on my crease with circular motions. These eyeshadows are so easy to blend. Build up the color until you are happy with the result. As a transition shade, I'm going to use the shade Blend, and with a bigger blending brush, I'm going to apply it above the previous shade. Make sure to blend the edges to have a nice transition between the two colors. Very quickly, I'm going to cut the crease with P. Louise base in the shade 0. Next, I use the shade Inner Corner for my inner corner, and I'm using a pencil brush. I'm gonna apply center eyelid next to the shade. It's a nice, beautiful pink with a flat brush, making a smooth and beautiful transition between the two colors. I'm using this dark shimmer gray, and I'm going to place it from the middle to the outer of my lid, and I'll go back to the pinky shade for a nicer transition between the gray and the pink. I'm taking again the shade Smoke to deepen up the outer crease with a small blending brush. I'm using now the shade Lash Line, and I'm just placing it on the outer V. I'm loving a lot of these small blending brushes as they make my life easier when I need to blend small areas like this. These are from Luxie. I got them in a boxy charm and they are just wonderful. I'm blending again all those colors for a nicer transition. For the brow bone, I decided to use the same shade as I used for my inner corner, and I'm going to blend the edges. To clean my eye, I'm using a makeup wipe to have a nice sharp line and clean any fallout. I'm using Maybelline gel liner in the shade Black, and I'm gonna do a small eyeliner. For my liner, I love using this brush from Zoeva. It's so tiny that makes the eyeliner so easy to do. I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is L'Oreal Paradise. I went ahead and do the other eye and the rest of my face, and I forgot to record my lower lash line. But basically, I used the same liner for my lash line, and I smudged it with the shade Lash Line. Then I used the shade Smoke and Blend to blend it out. For my lips, I decided to go pink. I used a mix of lipsticks. First, I went with NYX matte lipstick in the shade Wiped Caviar, and then I applied MAC Cream Cap on top. And this is the first look, very romantic and easy to do. I hope you liked it. For my next look, I decided to go something more dramatic for those of you who prefer the full glam like me. I started with the shade Lash Line and I'm applying it on the outer and inner corner. I'm going to place first the color and then I'm going to blend the edges with the shade Smoke. For my transition color, I'm going to use the shade Blend and I'm going to connect the inner and outer corner of my eye. I applied a little bit more of the lash line as I lost some of the pigmentation with the blending. With my finger, I'm going to apply this silver shade on the center of the eyelid, blending the edges of the darker shade and bringing it up to the crease. I'm applying on top, but just in the middle of the eye, this shade to have more like a spotlight. And I'm going to apply a little more of that darker shade lash line for more dramatic eyes. I'm going to underline my lower lash line with Maybelline Gel Liner in the shade Black. I'm smudging the gel liner with the shade Lash Line and I'm connecting the line with my lid. Then, with a small blending brush, I'm going to blend the lower lash line with the shade Smoke. I applied a coat of mascara and I used a nude lipstick to finish it off. And here you have my second look with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, it really helps me. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and see you in my next video. Bye!